Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the GearLight brand, their TAC LED tactical flashlight. And this is a 2-pack, great value. These are single mode, high lumen, zoomable, water resistant flashlight for camping, emergency gear. Comes with a nice clip on there so you can clip them onto your shirt pocket. They're powerful, compact flashlights. The TAC upgraded LED casts a wide beam that effortlessly illuminates a whole room or backyard. It remains small enough for everyday carry. Conveniently powered, you can power it with 3 AAA batteries using the included little holder. I'll show you how to do that. Or you can use an 18650 and use these little nylon holders for the batteries if you want to go chargeable. The kit does not include the batteries, but includes everything you see in front of you right here. Now this has one mode operation, adjustable focus, and I want to stress that one mode means that you don't have to cycle through endless modes. With one simple touch, this flashlight will deliver a powerful beam where you need it. I'm going to tell you a little story about that. I have probably 50 flashlights and I've reviewed so many of them. And here is an example of a flashlight that is about $50. Now I had this flashlight in my basement. I was working in my basement and we had a storm. And there was no power in my basement and I wasn't prepared. So I had this near me, thinking to myself that I have a flashlight. So I go to turn it on, and of course, because it's one of these complicated flashlights, it went into one of these modes where it was blinking. And I started to see blinking light and I almost fell and went into a cabinet. So the problem with these more expensive flashlights is they just are too complicated for emergency use or simply getting a flashlight. Now I'm going to show you a picture what flashlights used to look like. They were very simple. You put batteries in them and you click the switch and they went on. So I really like the fact that this is a very simple flashlight. The company does provide a little simple instruction booklet talking about their warranty and information about the company, how to contact them if you're dissatisfied with the purchase or have any issues. Now this is a anti-slip all metal aluminum body with removable clip that you can take off. Has a knurled pattern on there and the clip can come off by sliding it and removing it. Now this is focusable and we're going to demonstrate that, and that's nice so that you can focus the beam to more of a point or a wide angle, because there is a lens on here and that gives you more flexibility and you can concentrate the lumens forward. This is weather and shock resistance and made for rough handling, endure earthquake, heavy snow, rain, and other extreme weather. Tough enough to withstand accidental drops and temporary water submersions. You can count on this light. Now it is IPX4 rated, so it is rated for splashes against the enclosure on there, but you can't put it underwater really for maybe a quick second and be fine. But it's really designed to prevent water from intruding that is splashed on it. This is an exceptional value because it includes 2 flashlights. You can keep one in your car, one in your home, or give them to a friend or family member. So you really can't go wrong with this product. So it's very simple to power this up. You have a AAA battery holder, and all you do is you load the battery up into there and you put the positive forward, and then you just rotate this like that, and there's a switch to turn it on and off. So it's that simple. You can use regular batteries. Now if you have an 18650 rechargeable battery, I'll show you that next. So here is an 18650, one that I have, and if you take that battery, you put it into this nice sleeve, and then you put the positive going forward. It allows it to go in there like that, and then you rotate this like that. And the light came on because I had the switch on. So the operation is so simple. You just turn it on and you turn it off, and then you have the focus ring, and we're going to show that against the wall here. So I am exactly 8 feet away from my green screen. This is the calibrated distance I use for flashlights, and I have the zoom all the way forward, and it's producing what appears to be a square with blurred edges, and the square is just a little over a foot, maybe 14 inches by 14 inches. Now if I go and I take the zoom and open it up, it's producing a circle that is totally encompassing my green screen, which I know is 9 feet. So it's producing a 9-foot diameter circle with it at wide angle. So that gives you an idea of the complete range you could get depending on your application. So if you're walking and you want to shine something far away, you can zoom in like that. Or if you're walking with your dog outside and you want to illuminate a wider area, just use the zoom. So here I've been running the GearLight for about 10 minutes. And I just want to look at the temperature, because it seems like it's running nice and cool. So I have a little temperature gauge right here. I'm going to put it on the tip right there. You can see it's only 87 degrees right on the tip there. Move down, it's 89 degrees, 87, and that's good. What that means is that it's being cooled off by the aluminum and by these pieces of aluminum that are here that are opened up to the air. Air can flow there, and it keeps the LED running cool so that you get a long lifespan on the LED. So here I have the studio lights off, and I have a lux meter right here that's going to let me see the lux of this. I can't measure lumens, but I can measure lux. And this table is calibrated, so I'm going to be 1 foot away with the GearLight light. And I'm going to focus it down. We're going to shine this on the sensor. And we're going to look at what output we get right here. So at 1 foot away, the GearLight is producing 7,940 lux, and I'm at 1 foot away. Now in terms of brightness, that's bright. So what's my overall opinion about the GearLight brand, their TAC LED tactical flashlight, their 2-pack? I love this product. As I described, very simple to operate. It's going to be there for an emergency, no fumbling with multiple switches or modes. It's just going to come on when you need light in an emergency. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.